Easy way to add a clock widget in Windows 11 step by step. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. To add a clock widget, first go to the search bar and type Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store. At the top, use the search bar and type Widget Launcher. Now, click on the first result, Widget Launcher. Then click on Get to install it. Clock Widget is a small tool that shows the current time on your home screen. It helps you quickly check the time without opening any apps. As you can see, the clock widget is now starting to install. Don't skip the video now, or you might miss important settings. Once it's installed, open the app. On the main page, go to the digital clock section. Now, let's customize the clock. Skin means the design or style of how the clock looks. You can change it from dark to light or pick other styles. Background color is the color behind the clock. You can change it to match your wallpaper or theme. Border color is the color of the outline around the clock. You can customize it to make the clock stand out or look stylish. Accent color is the highlight color used for small details like the clock hands or numbers. It adds a pop of color to make the widget look more attractive. And font color is the color of the numbers or text on the clock. You can adjust it for better readability or to match your style. Below, you'll find the transparency option. Transparency controls how see-through the clock is. A higher transparency makes the background more visible, while lower transparency makes the widget more solid. Once you're done customizing, click on Launch Widget. Now your clock is on the screen. You can drag it and place it anywhere you like. If your clock is now showing, type Done in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.